Reading a protobuf created with TF2 using TF1. I have a model stored as an HDF5 which I export to a protobuf (PB) file using saved_model.save, like this. This works fine and the result is a saved_model.pb file which I can later view with other software with no issues. However, when I try to import this PB file using TensorFlow 1, my code fails. As PB is supposed to be a universal format, this confuses me. The code I use to read the PB file is this. This is the exception I get. Trace back, most recent call last, file read_pb.py, line 14, and graph_def.parse from string f.read, google.protobuf.message.decode error parsing message. I have a different model stored as a PB file on which the reading code works fine. What's going on? Edit 1. While using Andrea Angeli's code below, I've encountered the following error. Encountered error, no def mentions that your exponential_average_factor not an op yt, that's _mean u, that's _variance u, reserve_space_1:u, reserve_space_2:u, reserve_space_3:u, iter equals t-type, allowed equals dt_half, dt_float 16, dt_float, iter equals u-type, allowed equals dt_float, iter equals epsilon float, default equals 0.0001, iter equals data_format string, default equals nhwc, allowed equals nhwc, nchw, iter equals is _training bool, default equals true no def, no to mobile inet2/bn_conv1/fused batch norm 3. Check whether your graph-def interpreting binary is up to date with your graph-def generating binary. Is there a workaround for this?
You are trying to read the HDF5 file and not the protobuf file you saved with tf.saved_model.saved. Also beware, the TF2 exported protobuf is not the same as TF1's frozen graph as it only contains the computation graph. Edit 1. If you want to export a TF1 styled frozen graph from a TF2 model, it can be done using the following code snippet. This will result in a protobuf file, saved_model.pb, at the location you specify in path param. Your graph's input node will have the name input:0, this is achieved by the lambda, and the output node output:0.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.